I'm here at Magic Waters Lodge in Patagonia, and this is the wader room, and everybody hangs up their waders when they come back from fishing every day. And one thing I noticed is that everybody just takes their waders off and hangs them up. And the problem is that the neoprene feet on breathable waders don't breathe. You get condensation, you get clamminess in there, and when you go to put them on in the morning, especially in a cold morning, you put your feet in there and they're still wet. So a good tip is to turn your waders inside out at the end of the day. That way they're gonna be nice and dry when you slide your foot into your waders. The one thing you wanna be careful of is if you're going from one watershed to the next, you want to make sure that you rinse and clean, inspect and dry, maybe not dry, but at least clean and inspect the outside of your waders to make sure you're not bringing any aquatic invasives into a different watershed. But if you're fishing the same watershed every day, just turn them inside out. They'll be nice and dry in the morning.
I mended my line there when the fly hit the water, and the fly skipped across the surface, and this brown trout came out of the water and grabbed the streamer as I was mending my line. That was fun. That's what's fun about streamer fishing. It's all about the eat, and that fish was so exciting the way it grabbed that streamer. It's all visual, and yeah, we all want to dry fly fish, especially on a spring creek, but you can't always do it.